Hello YouTube, Crypto Force here with another daily dose of crypto. Just wanted to reach out and let you guys know about UBIQ. Now I've talked about them a little bit before. They were in the video that I made with 10, that was in Huffington Post, about 10 cryptocurrency traders that are well known, and UBIQ was mentioned by 2 of those 10 as being a must-have hold and a gainer in the short and long term. Now the good thing about UBIQ, the quarterly report is coming up any day now. It's supposed to be before the end of the month, and the thing I love about UBIQ, they have such an active development team. If you go on Slack, if you go on Twitter, they're always updating, with projects. They stay in touch with the community. It's not like you can post something, say like what's going on, and then you wait for weeks or months and don't hear anything, and then when the development team finds out the coin's like dropped in price by a ton, and they shoot out a little blurb saying, oh, we're still working on this. UBIQ is always active with the community, and that is awesome. Now, what is UBIQ? It's essentially a decentralized platform, and it allows creation of smart contracts, dApps, and it's also built upon the improved Ethereum code base. So when they find that Ethereum code base has a problem with it, a lot like Apple iOS, the way they just release iOS's, and then it's like, my phone's locked up, what the heck? And then Apple's like, okay, we'll try this one. Well, Ethereum operates much like that. They have to send out, their code, and people start to try to use it. It's got problems, so then they got to go back to the drawing board. Well, UBIQ pays attention to what Ethereum's doing, and if there's a problem, then they obviously, implement new code and fix the code base that Ethereum was built on. Now, UBIQ blockchain is basically it's a large globally distributed ledger and acts as a supercomputer, so it allows developers to create decentralized and automated solutions. Another good thing about UBIQ, it was not pre-mined. There was no shares given to the developers. Every bit of UBIQ has had to be mined fairly across the board. So that's huge to me. I mean, it's you can tell the developers are really passionate about this project, and a couple coins have already went to the UBIQ platform. I know GeoCoin did, and I believe there might be some more information in the quarterly report that's coming out as to other coins that are going to move over to the UBIQ platform. Not positive about that, but I think I might have seen that on Slack somewhere maybe. But let's get to the UBIQ team here. Now, the UBIQ team, Julian Yap, he is actually one of the developers for Bittrex, so name recognition out there, and he's very active in the community. Luke Williams is also, and I don't know too much about Chris Hansen. I have watched some YouTube videos on Alex Sturck, but I know Alex is also really active in the Slack community and on Twitter. I really have a good feeling about UBIQ, and I have been mining UBIQ for some time now, but it's only because I believe in it. And super cool logo also. Not that has any monetary value or anything, but anyways, for those of you who are looking to get into a coin, I think UBIQ is definitely a good idea to get into. Disclaimer: not a financial advisor. It's I hate even having to say that, but anyways, do your research on it. Like I said, quarterly report's coming out, and as of right now, the price is around $2.34 basically. So, it's still really cheap. Just a couple weeks ago, you could have got it for easily down around the low dollar range. But they've had a couple announcements that have helped it to go up. So anyways, hopefully we'll get to see the quarterly report here soon, and UBIQ will continue its rise, and it'll get more notoriety, and I believe UBIQ is definitely a long hold winner. So you guys have any questions, comments, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about UBIQ, and as always, Crypto Force signing out.